Lesson 6. United in Diversity, the Art of Living Together. Imagine a giant puzzle where every piece is a different shape, color, and texture. If all the pieces were identical, you wouldn't have a picture. You'd just have a pile of cardboard. But when these different pieces lock together, it creates something far more beautiful and complex than any single piece could be on its own. This is the essence of the European Union's motto, United in Diversity. It is the recognition that our differences in language, culture, religion, and personal history are not obstacles to be overcome, but strengths to be celebrated. Today, we look at how this principle applies not just to 27 nations, but to the people sitting in this room right now. The EU is home to over 450 million people. We speak 24 official languages and hundreds of dialects. We have different religions, different political views, and different ways of cooking a meal. Unity. This is our common ground. It is the set of values we all agree to live by, such as peace, democracy, and the rule of law. It is our shared commitment to protect each other's rights. Diversity. This is our unique flavor. It is the freedom to be who you are, to speak your mother tongue, to practice your faith, and to maintain your unique traditions without fear of being forced to blend in or disappear. Unity is the bridge we walk on. Diversity is the vibrant landscape that the bridge allows us to explore. Living together in a confined environment can be challenging. It is easy to focus on the things that divide us, the different music someone likes, the way they talk, or where they come from. However, active civic engagement requires us to look deeper. Even in this group, we share significant common ground, shared goals. Everyone here wants to learn, to grow, and to eventually build a better life. Shared experiences. You are all navigating the same system and facing similar daily challenges. Shared humanity. At the core, everyone wants to be treated with human dignity, a value we discussed in our earlier lessons. When we focus on what we have in common, the differences between us become much easier to manage. They stop being threats and start being perspectives. How do we turn a motto into a reality? Respectful living is a practice, not just an idea. Here are 3 practical tools. Active listening. Instead of waiting for your turn to speak, try to truly understand why someone thinks differently than you do. You don't have to agree with them to respect them. The golden rule of dignity. Treat others not just how you want to be treated, but how they need to be treated to feel respected. Conflict resolution. When a disagreement happens, focus on the problem, not the person. Use the I statements we practice to express your needs without attacking others. By practicing these steps, you are doing more than just getting along. You are modeling the very principles that keep Europe peaceful and democratic. The European Union is a grand experiment in whether people can live together in peace, despite their differences. This classroom is a smaller version of that same experiment. When you choose to respect a peer who is different from you, you are upholding the highest principle of the EU. You are proving that diversity doesn't have to lead to division. It can lead to a stronger, more resilient community. As we finish this course, remember, your unique story is part of the diversity, but your commitment to respect is what creates the unity.